Understanding the phrase, "I have chest pain," a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase, "I have chest pain." This phrase is not only common in English but is also crucial in certain situations, especially medical ones. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what this phrase means, but also how to use it in different contexts. Let's get started. "I have chest pain" might seem straightforward, but there's a lot packed into these 4 words. "I" refers to the person speaking. In English, we always start with the subject, and in this case, it's the speaker themselves. "Have" is a verb that shows possession or experience. Here, it indicates that the speaker is experiencing something. "Chest" refers to the part of the body between the neck and the abdomen. It's where the heart and lungs are located. "Pain" is a noun that means a physical discomfort or suffering. Put together, "I have chest pain" means that the person speaking is experiencing discomfort or suffering in the chest area. This phrase is particularly important in medical contexts. In emergencies, if someone is experiencing chest pain, it could be a sign of a serious health issue, like a heart attack. Saying this phrase to a doctor, nurse, or emergency responder is crucial. Describing symptoms. It's also used when describing symptoms to a medical professional during a regular checkup or visit. In formal situations, you might use this phrase to inform someone close to you about your discomfort so they can help. Remember, this phrase should be used seriously and accurately, as it indicates a potentially serious health condition. You can modify this phrase depending on the situation and the severity of the pain. "I'm having a little chest pain." This indicates that the pain is not very severe. "I'm experiencing severe chest pain." This shows that the pain is intense. "I've been having chest pain since yesterday." This indicates that the pain is ongoing and started at a specific time. "I have chest pain" is a simple yet significant phrase in the English language, especially in medical scenarios. Understanding how to use it correctly can be crucial in conveying the severity and urgency of the situation. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and take care.